In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A34 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Connections. Now click on this gray switcher next to Bluetooth in order to activate it and click on Bluetooth feature. Then wait for available devices to show, and when they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to. In my case, this one. Now, after a couple of seconds, select pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, choose this gear icon next to the device. Click on unpair at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can connect to the same one by tapping on it and selecting pair again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!